Hello, my name is Nicholas, and thanks for joining me here at Suoer Kleen Laundry. In this video, I'm going to show you how we go about processing laundry, not only for our wash, dry, go, but our wash, dry, fold, as well as our pickup and delivery. It all starts at the sorting process. So let me go ahead and show you what we do in that.
Okay, what you can see here is we have our laundry basket. This is basic what we may receive, or we may receive our laundry in a bag. And what I like to do is I like to take and get 2 baskets, and then of course we will use our table to do all the sorting off of. So we're going to take and pull our laundry out, and we're just going to sort our towels in one basket. We're going to do colors. Sometimes the customer will request that they want their whites with their whites, and of course their darks with their darks, and I put the socks in there. You can see here we have a shirt that has color to it, so we'll go ahead and put that with your socks, and we have some pants here. Darks, put the darks together, and we have another dark here. And let's see. Yeah, I got our go ahead. We can turn this right side out, and take the shirt there. Of course, other type of clothes. We're going to take and pull our shirts apart. Turn them right side out. If anything falls on the floor here, just gonna make sure we pick it up. Turn it inside out there, as well as our sure we pick that up there. Now what you're going to see is we have a pair of pants here. We're just going to turn them right side out. Just take and pull our and then we're going to make sure that all the buttons on our pants and our zippers are done up. Or any type of sweatshirts or anything of that sort, we'll make sure that those would be all done as well. Double check our laces, if there's any laces on sweatshirts. And of course, towel, so put that in the towel section. And then, like I said, any type of clothes that are laundry clothes that would be right side out, we're going to turn it wrong side out. I think that's what it is, wrong side out. Turn it right side out. Just like so. As you can see here, we have our basket, we have our colors and clothes, and then we have our towels that are separated out with either undergarments or socks. That's how we process our laundry. What I'll do is I'll take this over to the washer and throw it in the washer based on basket, or if we need to, sometimes if it's too small like this, we could just combine it with the one. But most generally, this is how we process our laundry.